Hello everyone, and welcome to the Digital Library for Newcomers by Kamloops Immigrant Services. In today's video, we will talk about health and wellness. As newcomers, embarking your journey in this beautiful country, one of the most important aspects to consider is your health and wellness. In this session, you will learn the steps to maintain your overall well-being and medical resources available within our community. In Canada, health and wellness services are not just about treating illnesses. They're about promoting holistic well-being, from physical and mental wellness. We at Kamloops Immigrant Services are here to assist you in navigating the complex Canadian healthcare and social services by connecting you with effective solutions. Access to medical services. Let's begin by exploring how to get medical help when you need it. Healthcare providers. When you move to British Columbia, it is important to ensure you and your family have healthcare coverage to cover the cost of medical services. In Canada, medically necessary physician and hospital services are covered by public medical plans in each province. In British Columbia, this plan is called the British Columbia Medical Services Plan. Here is a summary of what you need to do upon arrival. As soon as you arrive in BC, register with the Medical Service Plan, since you will have a waiting period before your MSP coverage starts. Arrange for private medical insurance if you arrive in BC from outside Canada. If you are coming to BC from another Canadian province or territory, you will be covered under your formal provincial medical plan during the waiting period. All BC residents must enroll in the MSP, including non-permanent residents such as those holding study and work permits, valid for 6 months or more. Applicants for permanent resident status who are the spouse or child of an eligible BC resident. Tourists and visitors to BC are not eligible for medical service plan. Finding a family doctor. According to Ontario Health, there are more than 1,900 doctors practicing in our region. The College of Physicians and Surgeons of BC maintains information about doctors in BC in the province. To look up information about doctors, visit their registrant directory. If you don't have a family doctor, you can visit an urgent and a primary care center, walk-in health clinic, or a virtual doctor. HealthLink BC maintains a list of walk-in clinics and provides reliable, non-emergency health information and advice in British Columbia. To access HealthLink BC, you can call 811 to speak with a health service navigator. You can also use HealthLink BC to register to find a family doctor taking new patients. Virtual doctors. Some health problems can be addressed with a phone call or video call with the doctor. Many clinics and even more pharmacists offer virtual care as another way for you to see a doctor who can provide medical advice, referrals for checkups, laboratory tests, and prescription refills. Virtual doctor appointments are covered by British Columbia's Medical Service Plan. Mental health. Mental health is an important part of our physical health and personal well-being, and refers to a wide range of conditions that affect how we think, feel, or interact with other people. It also helps determine how we handle stress and making healthy choices. Well, mental health does not mean the same thing as mental illness. Poor mental health can lead to mental and physical illness. If you have good mental well-being, you can recognize the good in yourself, feel and express a range of emotions, feel engaged with the world around you, live, work, or study productively, cope with the stresses of daily life, and manage the sudden change. How can we help with ourselves and others? Talk about how you feel. Identify your triggers. Do something you enjoy. Take a break or make a plan. Think about what helps when you are overwhelmed. Be kind to yourself. Self-care for children. When children practice self-care, they learn to identify their physical and emotional needs and can begin to take care of those needs. Practicing self-care at a young age allows children to create a foundation that will benefit them as adults, become more independent, and understand how to take care of themselves. Mental health community resources. Kamloops area offers a range of counseling and mental health services. Let's review a few options that you may consider. Crisis Line BC. If you and your loved one are in crisis, distress, or having thoughts of suicide, help is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or by calling 310-6789. This phone line is available in over 140 languages. Sandstone Counseling Center provides helpful tips to assist clients without access to funds or funding in finding affordable assistance for mental health concerns or had counseling services in Kamloops and BC. Through Interior Health and their partner agencies, you can get access to mental health and substance use resources. Visit their website to get support or more information, or at their center at 235 Lansdowne Street, Kamloops. YMCA Mental Wellness Programs. YMCA offers free mental wellness programs to help participants learn how to manage stress and mid to moderate anxiety. To participate, you may self-refer. You do not need a diagnosis of anxiety, and you do not need to be a YMCA member. Through Psychology Today, you can find a list of private clinical counselors. Check their website to get more information. Finally, virtual mental health supports listed on the BC government website, including free or low-cost counseling. Check their website for more information at the link in the description below. Barriers to health and wellness. Let's explore additional common obstacles faced by newcomers. Language barriers. It can feel difficult to understand other people and say what you want to say. Kamloops Immigrant Services has formal and informal language classes. The language instruction to newcomers to Canada, LINK program, is more structured and happens 4 days a week. We also have informal programs. You can join in-person sessions on Fridays or language exchange circles throughout the week. To start, just go to our website and fill out a form. Someone will get in touch with you and give you more information. Finding a job that's right for you. Our employment team is here to help you make a good resume and cover letter and get ready for interviews. You can find Job Ready 101, a useful guide for newcomers about getting ready for work on the KAS website. Housing needs. Housing is essential, and we're here to help you understand tenant agreements, how to navigate finding a place and connect with landlords. Culture shock and the sense of belonging. The multiculturality in Canada can be overwhelming. Some people experience culture shock through the KAS Community Connections program, where people and families attend social activities and learn new skills together. It's a good way to introduce yourself in a safe and free of judgment environment. Support for children. Our settlement workers in school through the SWITS program offer support related to school, and the Childmind program offers a space for your child while you attend our services on site. Canada's wellness services are here to empower you on your journey to a healthier, happier life. We wish you the best to you and your family in your life in Canada. Kamloops Immigrant Services, together we're better.